Okay guys, welcome back. In this particular video live stream, I'm going to show you how you can get free COS in the United Kingdom. So if you are an immigrant or you are someone who is passionate about relocating to the United Kingdom, you should watch this video to the end because you are going to get the modalities and the step-by-step process that you will have to follow, and it's quite easy in order for you to get this particular free COS offer. And trust me, this particular agency that I will share with you today has been proven to keep to their words, and they are reliable. And I know several people who have gained their COS using this particular agency. So I'll go over to my laptop screen now to show you how you can be able to go about this. Okay, so right here on my screen you can see this is World Care Services Limited. Okay, so they're actually a staffing solution that is poised to help immigrants from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya. In fact, most African countries are covered in this particular offer and service. So when it comes to UK home care roles and UK jobs, these particular World Care Services, they are the leader. They offer lots of assistance to people in terms of helping you secure free COS. Okay, so if you look here, you can see their different purview and coverage. For example, under the UK jobs, let me show you this. You see that for nursing and doctor, that's medical doctor jobs, they are pioneers. I mean, you can see what they wrote here. They have an extensive network of healthcare professionals, and they have this commitment to providing quality care. So they link you with employers who are willing to take you in the UK, and because they are reliable, several employers are banking on them. They trust them a lot to help them recruit immigrants who work in the UK health sector. Okay, so you can see different sections of their uh, offers here. So let me show you what this entails. For example, when it comes to certificate of sponsorship, otherwise known as COS, is a free offer that this agency is giving you. Okay, so you can see application from job seekers who require current skilled worker sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. Okay, now they wrote other descriptions there. Then when you come down here, let me show you the most important aspects of this. You see for registered nurses, then there's also registered mental health nurse, then there's intensive care unit nurse, that's ICU nurses, then there's theater nurse. So if you fall under any of this category, what you've got to do is just click on that particular category. Let me open this up so you see. I'm going to open up each of these in different windows right here, so you can see what each of them has to offer. So now, when it comes to registered nurses, pediatrics specifically, for example, depending on the category that you fall into, you can apply by just entering your email address and just give a brief description about yourself. Okay, now you can attach a CV, that's a curriculum vitae or resume. The CV should be UK standard format CV. Okay, so and if you read here, you see the brief synopsis that they wrote here. They said, are you a dedicated, enthusiastic, motivated registered nurse? So with a passion to provide evidence-based best practice care to children and their families. Okay, so we currently have bank vacancies for inpatient children's ward. So they are looking for a person who wants flexibility and variety across various wards and departments. So you can see the main duties of the job. Okay, so you have to work with the clinical team, and there's actually a laid down framework that you're expected to work with. Then there's specification, qualification. Even if you are just a starter or you are just a fresh graduate, you can apply for this particular offer, and you can get your COS, whether you are in Nigeria or Ghana or South Africa or Kenya or Namibia or any other African country. You can get your COS directly from this particular World Care Services Agency. Now, I also want you to note that since this COS is free, it is given on merit. So you've got to put your best foot forward. And how you can actually do that is for you to, make sure you provide your relevant documents. This email that you enter here should be a valid one, because they will get back to you by replying your email. And after they have assessed your CV and the brief introductory message that you put up here, what they are going to do is they will ask and request that you have a live video call with them. More or less, let them verify that, okay, you are someone who is fluent in English. Very important. You should be able to read and write very well in English, because it's an essential prerequisite for them to consider any candidate that they are recommending to any employer in the United Kingdom. So take note of that. It's very important. Okay. Now, when it comes to the section of mental health nurse, okay, so you see the responsibilities for this particular category. You see, we are seeking a compassionate and dedicated mental health nurse to join our team at NHS and private hospitals. So it's not just about one hospital in the United Kingdom. It's more or less like multiple hospitals are out there, looking out for nurses who are efficient and who know their onions, and who want to really contribute their quota to the UK health system. So these particular agencies are, poised to make it happen for you by giving you this free sponsorship and free COS offers. Okay. Now you see the responsibilities for this. There are about 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8. So you've got to just take your time, go through it. It's very simple. These are basically responsibilities that you carry out in your day-to-day activity as a nurse in every other hospital, even in Nigeria or any other African country. So there isn't much difference, except that they have strict compliance to regulatory practice over there in the United Kingdom. So you've just got to take your chance on this, and who knows, you might, be lucky to get this free COS offer. And COS is a big deal. There are several people who are already in the UK who don't have COS, and they have to go out there to scout, to pay and purchase, even though it's not proper, it's not legal to purchase it. But this to tell you that for you to get this free COS offer on a platter of gold from this particular agency is a worthwhile venture, and you should be able to grab this opportunity with your two hands, because it doesn't come every day. I mean, there are lots of people out there who are looking for these opportunities. Okay, so right here you see the requirements. These are a valid nursing license and registration is required. Then you also have other key requirements that are stated here. Now, when it comes to intensive care unit nurse, they also have the responsibilities that are expected of you as an ICU nurse to fulfill. Okay, yeah. So basically, your nursing license has to be provided, or you've got to scan and send it to them. That's after you have after you've just put in your email, few brief message about yourself, introductory message. Then right here you attach your CV. Just click on this. You'll be able to attach your curriculum vitae. So once you click on that, you'll be able to attach your CV, and your CV should be either in PDF format or Microsoft Doc, Word document format. Then you click on submit application. So you can see the application process is quite easy. I mean, just 3 sections here, you are done, and you will definitely get feedback and response from them. Then you take up the conversation from there. So this is a rare opportunity that you can utilize today if you are passionate about traveling to the United Kingdom and relocating to the UK. It gives you lots of opportunities and benefits that you are going to really enjoy and cherish for a long time. Okay, now I also want to show you, if you want to go for nanny, that's if you are not a nurse and you want to go for the nanny option, there is night maternity and nannies option. Okay, there is also childminder. So if you go through their platform, you're going to see lots of offers. There's also living nanny. Okay, so there are a whole lot of opportunities here that you shouldn't be left out if you are really serious and passionate to make your dream of joining the UK workforce a reality. And I'm counting on you guys to be part of this. So this is their email, their general email for maybe inquiries, maybe if you have any question or you need any clarification, you can also reach out to them via this email. Okay, so I'm also available for you. If you have any question or concerns, you can drop your questions down below in the comment section below, or you can just reach out to me via the comment section too. Okay, then I would like you to share your opinion, ask your questions. If you need any form of clarifications and all that, not just for UK, for US, Canada, Australia, whichever migration routes that you would like to explore, you can just hit me up by commenting down below, through the comment, through the link rather in the comment section, and also in the description of this video. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for being part of this live stream and video. I would like you to share your opinion and thoughts down below. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so I would like you also to endeavor to keep an eye on this channel, because we'll be bringing you more valuable tips, strategies, insights that will help you to relocate abroad and achieve your travel abroad goals. Okay, so thank you once more. See you guys most later on.